Yeah, so what people can expect from the STX LDN events is a link up between Bitcoiners, stackers, cryptocurrency enthusiasts, creators, and what we're trying to create is a space basically where people can learn more about Bitcoin, learn what's going on with the economic changes in the world, and then learn about how they can actually build to improve Bitcoin and build outside of Bitcoin to improve Bitcoin. And we're doing that through the Stacks ecosystem because we feel that the Stacks ecosystem provides the capabilities needed to be able to do that in a very kind of simple to adopt way. So you can expect from us a lot more hybrid experiences, a lot more immersive experiences, and we're working with quite a few partners inside of the Stacks ecosystem to be able to bring that to life. So yeah, I mean, just anytime, just pop down. We're STX LDN on all social media, also NFT Clothing Club on all social media.